Palm Delight Lodge on a beach road in Jomtien Beach. Anyway, great little place. Just about to check in. I'm up there. There's a hotel called the Poo Beach Resort down there. Anyway, here until the 7th. 700 a night, 700 baht a night for a deluxe sea view room. Got a coffee shop and reception is right here. Really good. Oh, there's no elevator. I'm in room 1 here. Deluxe sea view. Find a key. It's got a key access to get into the building. Just a basic one. Everything's orange. Everything's basic. 700 a night, 35 Australian dollars. Let's go everything. It's got a big fridge. Got some great views. Fridge, freezer, water. Safe. That's about it. No coffee, no sugar. Anyway, this will do just fine. Oh, bed solid. Right, any questions, comments? Let me know. I've never stayed down in Jomtien Beach before. Righto. This is the view from my window. So the beach, 50 metres away, across the road, good to go. Enjoy. Just going to do a quick walking tour of Jomtien Beach area, just a couple of blocks from my guest house I'm staying. Yeah. Let's have a look. Main bar area in Jomtien Beach area. I'm staying. If you want to rent, they do weekly, monthly, yearly. Oh, it's the main streets in Jomtien Beach area. Right, it's literally, the hotel's right there, my room's right there, and the beach is literally right here. The water quality is really good. Lots of bars and restaurants. So this street here probably the biggest street for bars in this area. Now if you go down there, every soy, right over there is soy 7. This is not, I don't know, there's no names of the soy, but soy 8 is over there. So the soy between soy 7 and soy 8, it's a dead end. It's got the Poo Beach Resort and Spa Hotel at the very end, but it's a private road and there's bars and clubs down that way. But every soy down here has bars and places to drink. Hello, how are you? Caught today? Today? Right. Food is very fresh. Just getting a cold fresh coconut, 50 baht.
เส้นสีแดงอะที่นั่นแหละมันกรีดเอาไว้อะ
Beautiful.
มันอาจจะโดนตีหรือมันมาทำอ่ะเนาะ
Beautiful.
จบไปแล้วเขาไม่มาหรอกพี่เมย์บอกเพื่อนมาหรอกเขาไม่แน่ด้วย
So Jomtien Beach is full of retirees, male and female, from all over the world. So you look down there in the distance, it's all these condominiums. So this place is packed with retirees. Real cheap to live. You get a condo, 1 bedroom condo, almost brand new, for probably 600 a month, plus you pay power and water on top of that. You can see why a lot of people just retire here. But look at the lifestyle. Anyway, just a short area around the hotel, or the guest house I'm staying right there, the orange place. Great little place, good people. Just want to show you what it's like within a block radius of the hotel. Yeah, pretty much all the same up here. Everything you need, all the shops, supermarkets, health, 7-Elevens, everything you need. Anyway, this is the street. It's a private street, so you don't get much car traffic. The hotel room was great, however the noise was very loud up until about 1 o'clock every morning. You got people partying on the beach, you got the locals in their cars blasting their music, you got all the bars, you got all the clubs within that area. So very noisy. The room was great, service was great, the area and location was fantastic. But the only complaint was the noise to about 1 AM. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. A few more videos to come. Have a good day.